Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the data so the rank function can operate reliably. Point at the numeric range, then remove or convert non-numeric cells. This prevents errors. Next, decide whether one means top or bottom. This changes the function mode. Once decided, add a helper column if you want deterministic ties, because rank alone treats equals identically. Now write the rank formula into the first output cell. Drag or fill down to apply across the dataset. You now craft the core formula. In many tools use rank. Eka target, range, 0 for high to low, or change the third argument to 1 for low to high. This controls the ordering. If you prefer average handling of ties, use rank. AVG because it yields mean ranks for equal values. Once the base rank works, make it robust. Combine with countif or a secondary key to break ties deterministically. This prevents duplicated ranks when you need unique positions. You finish by validating and locking the results. Convert ranks to values if you will sort or export, because live formulas can shift. Then scan for common issues, numbers stored as text, trailing spaces, or missing values that produce hash and /a, fix those to stabilize ranks. If ranks unexpectedly change after data edits, make sure your helper columns and ranges are absolute, using $ where needed. This ensures references stay fixed. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.